Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix denied access in Ometv, right? You can see here that I also don't have an access and how I can solve this. Well, there are many solutions to it. The very first thing, just try to just go over a new tab and open Ometv. Once you do that, if you still face this issue, then there is another solution for it. Just go here on the settings. Basically, this is called the permission side. If you're not able to find this, then just go to the on the right side on the menu bar, then just go to the settings of your browser. Once you go to the settings of browser, and here you will able to find it, right? So I will just show you from here. Once you click this, you will get this option. So if you can see that I haven't gave any access to my camera, and maybe in your case you haven't gave any access to microphone. So in this way you have to make sure you turn it on. So once I click on this turn it on, and once I click on the turn it on the camera, right, and after that it will ask you to reload this page to apply the update settings, right? So just click on reload. Once you click on the reload, you will see that my home TV has started to work. For example, let me show you, right? The camera started to work, and once I click on the start, and the people will start to come show over here, right? So it's very easy. I hope you found this video really useful. Let me just turn off my camera here, right? So see you guys in the next video.